I'm not going to get tripped up this time. Yes, I am.
I'll kill you if you keep doing that. I'll choke you. Hang on.
Oh, it's brilliant to see him play like that.
You're cheeky, aren't you? What's he called? What's his name?
Charlie.
Charlie. She's Peggy. Don't go too fast, Peggy. It's cut your neck off. I don't know who's having exercise, you or me. Peggy, no! Come on, I've got to give it back to your mother.
I think mine's going to sleep tonight. Where are you going, Char?
How old is Charlie?
2.5.
She's only a year. Hey Charlie, you met a little friend today. Hey Peggy, hang on Peggy. Peggy, you're getting too excited. Come on. That's it. Too excited.
You going to calm down now, Char? You going to calm down now? Did you like her, did you? Good boy.